Video. This is really windy. Saving Omar and Gabby, my sister. Say hi to the camera.
What me? Your sister what me?
Say hi to the camera.
I'm just kidding.
Look at Yarrell's riding away.
Are you gonna? Are you riding? Are you gonna put this on Twitter or Facebook?
Facebook.
Ooh, I didn't have a Facebook. For all you bitches that are watching, fuck you.
Oh, Omar told the camera off. Ding! Fuck you all, bitch.
Oh! Hey, happy birthday! Hey, people! I want to give you a surprise birthday gift early. Yeah, you. What the fuck?
Good luck, Gabby. That was cool.
Hey, you're on camera right now on Facebook.
I know,
I told everyone to fuck Gabby.
That's messed up.
You guys want me to get a more?
No!
Nice stomach.
Dude, my camera!
What?
If I get this fucking camera wet, you owe me a new iPod.
Sure! I will!
Yeah, I know I'm recording. Oh, shit! I'm safe. Oh my god. They're away from me. Bye, peoples!